Kinemaster is scenarios of 5 tornado.
Man, I'm really bored and I can't go outside because there is a thunderstorm. What should I do? I know I'm going to watch some epic channel.
You're watching Epic Channel, home of the most epic shows. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. The Kinemaster weather service recording EF5 tornado in the Kinemaster County. More information on the news. Welcome to Epic News today. Kinemaster weather service is currently in Super City. Location Kinemaster City in 10 minutes. Kinemaster 20 minutes. The clock and counting 30 minutes. Tornado warning. You will need to prepare yourself for
Oh no, a tornado will hit my house in 10 minutes. I gotta go to the basement. I'm going to take the tent in case of any updates.
After it 2016 went to the basement.
Good thing I'm now in the basement.
10 minutes later.
This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. The Kinemaster weather service has an update on the tornado warning film on the news. Welcome again to Epic News. Looks like the Kinemaster weather service has an update on the tornado. The update is that the tornado destroyed Kinemaster City, and it looks like the tornado is surging into a 3-power. It is arriving to the Kinemaster Islands. The locations that will be on the Kinemaster Islands in 10 minutes. The clock in counting 30 minutes. And the line counting 40 minutes. More updates soon.
Oh no, it will hit my friend's house in 10 minutes. I will need to call him friend. What do you want? A tornado will hit your house in 10 minutes. What do you mean? Oh no, my friend died, but let's see the damages at my house.
When it 2016 went upstairs.
Oh my god, my house is a mess. I will clean it up later.
30 minutes later.
All clear. I read it. All clear. The Kinemaster weather service confirmed that the tornado ended. More info on the news. Welcome to